This is Gary Smith of Radney Smith Funeral Home, and we're honored to be sponsoring the Veteran of the Month project here on WYEA. All military veterans deserve our deepest respect, recognition, and admiration for the decision they made to serve, defend, and protect our country. It is an honor to be part of sharing some of their stories. Our Veteran of the Month for the month of May is Durwood Bennett. Mr. Bennett served from 1951 to 1954 in the United States Marine Corps, 2nd Division. During his service, he was stationed in Europe, the Mediterranean, Africa, and French North Africa.
I was 19 years old, single, 1A, in good health, and I knew I was going to be drafted, so they needed people, and a lot of reservists was called back and all that stuff, and I understood that I was going to have to serve, so I just went ahead and enlisted. I was already working at the paper mill, and of course, Lita and I got married in September of '52, and our daughter Sandy was born in August of '53, and she was born in the Naval Hospital at Jacksonville, North Carolina. So all three of us was in the service, and we all came back home together. Well, I started out as a mortar gunnerman, and then I was promoted to section leader, and then when I left, I was over the entire section. At that time, the Marine Corps kept a reinforced battalion in the Mediterranean at all times, and in January of 1952, it was our turn to serve in that capacity. And my company was on the flagship, and we left a little ahead of the rest of the group to go to Monrovia, Liberia, to march in an inaugural parade. And we got there and we did our duty there, served in the parade in Firestone on the rubber plantation there. And they had a big reception for us after the parade. And we left there and went on up the coast to Dakar, French West Africa. And that's where I first saw the Muslims called to prayer. And then from there we met the rest of the group at Gibraltar and spent our turn in the Mediterranean area. Our headquarters in the Mediterranean was in Naples, Italy, and we spent about a week on the Riviera on our way out. That's where we met Army Relief there. And I think there was a group that went to Paris, but I didn't have any money, so I didn't get to go. I'm fortunate, I think, that I met a lot of people that I still keep in contact with, some of them, and I still get Christmas cards from some and send some Christmas cards and talk to them on the phone every now and then. But it was a learning experience. It really was a good experience. Well, I'm really pleased to be selected, but I'm sure there's a lot more that deserve it a lot more than I do.
Congratulations to Durwood Bennett, our Veteran of the Month for May. We'd also like to thank American Legion Post number 45 for helping with the selection process. This is Gary Smith of Radney Smith Funeral Home in Sylacauga.